I've been asked this morning to come and remind this audience, or rather remind ourselves, on etiquette for our national symbols and emblems. These symbols or markers are just not symbols. They are anchored on our national pride. They are telling a story of who we are as Botswana. They are telling a story of where we come from. They are telling a story of our freedom. They are telling a story of our shared ideals. So, among others, these symbols comprise the national flag, coat of arms, national anthem, and the presidential standard. We'll start with the national flag. The national flag, with its traditional Botswana blue color, the black and white colors, they also have a meaning, which I don't want but just to remind ourselves, for the blue color, it represents the skies. Clear, the water. Let there be rain, so that the white colors sandwiched kabonto is just a representation of our racial harmony. The Botswana flag represents the hopes and aspirations of people of Botswana. It is a symbol of national pride, as I have alluded earlier. The chair of this conference, though there is a universal affection and respect for and loyalty to the flag, a perceptible lack of awareness is often noticed, not only amongst people, but also in organizations and agencies of the government in regard to the laws and practices that apply more the display of the national flag. So etiquette thing, the display of Botswana flag is hosted from sunrise up to sunset. Usually 6 in the morning up to 6 in the evening. On public buildings, lay stationary flag staffs in the open, and so forth. The flag must be painted, the flag staff, the pole, should be painted white. So white is a neutral color. It gives a good background. It attracts the cleanliness, so that when we host this national flag, it should be hosted around an environment which is appealing. When the Botswana flag is displayed in a row, the Botswana flag should be on the left of the observer's point. So where you are seated, if we were to have other flags, say other countries, so the Botswana flag should be to your left from where you are seated. So during the marching parade or any ceremony, will have the marching parade, usually from the disciplined forces. So the national flag will be on the marching right. Or it may also be in the front of the center of a line of flags. So when the flag is passing in a parade, or when there is an inspection within the parade, there will usually be instances where the national flag will be lowered. Members of the public will be or are requested to stand and come to attention. So usually those putting on headgear, called red men, will remove the headgear, still have attention, whilst members of the disciplined forces who are on uniform will salute. So there are other instances where we usually see the national flag in some areas really torn, really spoiled, and with faded colors. So in line with the etiquette, it's not accepted. For the red this line, when you move around, the color is repeated. You cover it. So that in essence signifies the disrespect, our variety. So any citizen is allowed to host a flag, the national flag, during significant activities. And when we celebrate our national achievement, the Olympic medalist, and our national team, the veterans, when we rally behind it, we usually have ordinary citizens, but so the national flag can be ordered to fly at half-staff or half-mast on pronouncement by the government. So that is what we should understand about the national